Hey everybody, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. It's been about a week since I made a video, so it's time. Today I've been working on a door for Babs. Let me see if I can show it to you. Her door on her Class C is ruined. So I took it apart. You know what? Let me come back to you. I'll show you what I did. Well, as you can see, I took the skin off a door, both sides, and I used some Gorilla Glue and glued it back together. The one thing about Gorilla Glue is it needs to be cleaned off when you put the door back together, because sometimes you see that kind of overlaps there. Let me see if I can show you better. More better. Oh, where is it? There it is. That kind of overlaps right here. You got to clean that off before you put the door back together again. Otherwise you won't have a tight fit. You know, when you put the frame on and off. So you just got to clean it off. Yes, I'm using a big old butcher knife. I guess that's the ingenuity. Flip it over and do the same thing. I'll show you why I tore it apart. Because there's a piece of wood in here that I had to rebuild. And I can't show it to you now because guess what? I put the skin on it already. Darn it. Anyway, it's right inside that little hole. I had to rebuild the frame from here over. Or no, here over. Well, I'll tell you, I am backwards today, ain't I? Alright. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn you guys off because this is boring. We'll talk in a minute. Ooh, almost dropped the phone. That sucks. After you get these screws in, do you guys really want to see this? Probably not. Magic time. See? That's where the magic happened. You guys didn't know I was like that, did you? Oh, magical. Anyway, door works perfect. Before she'd have to slam it, and it wasn't safe. So what I did was I took this out, like I said, I rebuilt it. And now it's safe and sound, and Babs is a happy lady. I'm going to turn you off. We're going to talk for a few minutes, and then I got to go cook. Yeah. Okay, people. What do you think of them apples and bananas? Okay, Ace. Hey, see, guys, you know, every time I try to do a video and I try to talk to y'all, yeah, Ace, the hound dog, the attention hound dog has to be just right in my grill, don't you, buddy? It's hot, and he's probably aggravated. Anyway, maybe next week or so we'll go take him swimming. How do you like that, Ace? Yeah? You see? Yeah, you like that. Anyways, I'm gotta do some work in here. I'm gonna make meatloaf burgers. You guys ever had meatloaf burgers? I tell you what, I'll make you a deal. If you come out here, I'll make you one. That works for me. Okay, the moral of this story is, yeah, you heard it, straight from the horse's mouth. You can fix things on the road. The door that I just got done fixing at a scrapyard was going to cost Babs $300. And we fixed it for, what do you mean, 600?
New one.
Oh, and the new one was 600. Yeah, she's talking over my shoulder. New one was 600 bucks, and a used one from an old camper was 300. And we fixed it for about $1.98, because I think we used 2 screws that were new. Maybe. Anyway, you can fix things. Just got to have a little ingenuity and yeah, Ace. Y'all can do it. So I guess we'll talk to you later. This video was fun, wasn't it? You didn't know I was a magician. I'm a comedian too. This one time. Nah, we'll talk later. Bye.